Welcome to this SkillPad video resource where we make learning fun. In this video, we are going to explore the concepts of movement and locomotion. What if I told you that every single living organism, from the smallest bacteria to the largest blue whale, is constantly in motion? Intriguing, isn't it? But what exactly does movement mean? And how does it differ from locomotion? That's what we'll be exploring today. So let's start by distinguishing between the two. Movement refers to any change in the position or place of an object or organism. It's a broad term that encompasses everything from the rotation of the Earth to the beating of your heart. Locomotion, on the other hand, is a specific type of movement where an organism moves from one place to another. Movement is largely categorized into two types, muscular and non-muscular. Muscular movement, as the name suggests, involves muscles. The contraction and relaxation of muscles result in movement. The sprint of a cheetah, the flight of an eagle, or even the blink of your eye, all are examples of muscular movement. In contrast, non-muscular movement doesn't involve any muscular activity. It occurs due to changes in the shape and structure of cells or organisms. For instance, an amoeba, which is a single-celled organism, moves by changing its shape, and some parts of a plant may move in response to stimuli like light or gravity. I bet you have seen plants sway as they flirt with the wind. These are instances of non-muscular movement. Non-muscular movement can also be classified as amoeboid movement, where the amoeba extends and retracts pseudopodia, or ciliary movement, where tiny hair-like structures called cilia beat in a coordinated manner, propelling organisms like paramecium. Picture a fish gliding effortlessly through the water. This is achieved through a series of muscular contractions and relaxations along the body, creating a wave-like motion. This displacement of the body, coupled with the dynamic drift, where the fish adjusts its body angle to maintain its position, results in a seamless, fluid movement. But the coordinated movement of the fins also creates unique forms of movement in the fish, such as anguilliform, subcarangiform, carangiform, thunniform, and ostraciiform. Also visualize a bird in flight high up in the sky, the flapping of wings made possible by the contraction and relaxation of muscles, the functions of feathers providing lift and balance, and the adaptation of body organs for flight, all contribute to this marvel of nature. Next, imagine an amphibian moving on land or in water. The jumping of a frog and the crawling of a salamander are both achieved through the contraction and relaxation of muscles in a coordinated manner. Finally, think of an insect, like a butterfly fluttering its wings or an ant crawling. The movement of insects, whether it's flying, crawling, or jumping, involves complex muscular coordination and specific adaptations. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of movement and locomotion. From the amoeboid and ciliary movement, to the gliding motion of fish, soaring of birds, jumping of amphibians, and hopping of insects, each type of movement is a testament to the amazing diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Every organism, in its own way, is a master of movement and locomotion. Whoever thought that movement and locomotion were this diverse? Thank you for using this SkillPad resource. We hope it was insightful. You can access more of our videos on this platform by following the references in your textbooks. We hope to see you again soon.